I just have like 25 vision, I could probably read the road signs down there. Eagle eyes.
I've actually got really good eyes, but that is just out of my realm. I know that that's a McDonald's sign, but that's easy to...
I think I see, look straight up under the nose. See that little white dot out in the middle of the green? Yeah, that's it. See the windsock right there?
Oh, yeah, that's it. That's it. We're about to go right over the runway.
Yeah. I think the wind is favoring 17, so it's going this way. But we'll see what the windsock says.
I would guess the same thing. That's more like what the windsock was doing when we left.
Yeah. And Willow Springs traffic, Cessna 546 Mike Charlie is about to overfly the field at 2,700 to check the wind, Willow Springs. Alrighty.
Willow Springs, a charming little hamlet.
Definitely favoring 17. Probably about 10 knots. And it looks like there are power lines along that road, kind of close to the end there.
Yeah, the other side of the road.
Yeah. The side towards the airport, I think. Oh, no. Maybe it crosses the road right there.
I think you might be right, because I'm seeing the ones right in front of that house.
Yeah. And Willow Springs traffic, Cessna 546 Mike Charlie. Gonna go off to the east here to enter a left traffic runway 17, Willow Springs. And Willow Springs traffic, Cessna 6 Mike Charlie, turning final runway 17, full stop, Willow Springs.
What degree of flap you have?
10 or 30.
Is that full in this one?
Yep.
Okay.
All right, a little bit steep. Watching out for that power line.
It's a shallow line, so you're doing good.
Yeah. Yeah, I got it in sight. I just want to make sure it got a good bit of distance between us. All right, power's out.
Nice.
Is that your seat?
Yeah. I need to check that a little more often.
Willow Springs traffic, Cessna 546 Mike Charlie, back taxi to the ramp, Willow Springs.
It didn't slide back, but it slid forward just a little bit and clicked.
Yeah.
Can we travel over the rope like that?
No, not usually.
Just don't want to pick it up.
Yeah. Willow Springs traffic, Cessna 546 Mike Charlie, taking off runway 17 west departure, Willow Springs. Sorry, I didn't hear you. What?
That's a real light sport.
Oh. Okay. Clock looks like it's straight down the runway. Got power lines or something out in front of us there. Alright, RPM's good, instruments good. Engine's alive. Alright, up next is Bradleyville. You can definitely see the weather getting,
Yeah, it's closing in a little.
yeah.
Getting heavier.
You can see, it looks like it's raining straight ahead.
I don't think it's raining, but I do think the humidity's climbing.
It could be.
As it's coming this way, it's climbing.
Yeah. That one.
Hey, you were right on spotting that that water.
Oh yeah.
I said it was what, humidity?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's some heavy humidity.
Getting a bath.
Pulling the jet out.
Oh really? Is Ben still there? Oh.
like the rudder just almost won't hold the plane where you want it to be.
Yeah, not quite. But it works.
Oh, nice. Ooh. Whoa! Jeez. I thought that was going to be in the prop.
Yep. Auto to idle already. A little faster because we got no flaps.
Right. All right, we're going for that last.
Then.
Right. That vibration there, that's not the front.
It might be. It might be
the dampener and everything.
Yeah, it might be, and it's just barely able to keep it